Hello everyone and welcome back to Shubhangi Coding in Magical World. So today is our App Lab session and today we will be creating an Poke the Pic project in the App Lab. So let's get started. So first of all open the code.org website, sign in. So here already I have signed in. So now just click at this create button and then just choose the App Lab. Okay. So just the App Lab is just opening. Okay. And after that just rename your project as the Pic project. New project. After that, just save it. After that, just come at the designing part and just all design. Okay. So here I'm going to just put the image. So here I want to just put in grass or background. Okay. So let's come here in the Google and I just search. So I'm gonna select this one. You can take any you want, and I'll just give the image in the Discord also, and then just right click and copy the URL. After I just come again in the app lab, just drag an image. After I just paste the URL there. Okay. After I just make the fit image as fill, or you can put it as cover also. Yeah. So I'm gonna just put it as cover. Okay. And after that, I need here an clip art of pic. Okay. So pick clip art. So just search at the internet for it. So I'm just searching it on the Google. Okay, and then so let's take this one. This is looking. So now just right click and copy the image. Okay, and after that just command the remove the website. Then just paste the image. And this image also I'll just give you only Discord. Okay, and after that just copy, but here I'm not going to do the right click and copy the address, so because once I just close the remove website, it will just the image is not going to be shown. So let's download it. Okay. After again just command the app lab, just take again an image. Okay, after I just choose the image, upload the image. Okay, so I'm gonna just upload the file. Okay, so I'm just uploading it. Now just click at this choose button. After that, just put it here. Okay, and after that, see. So here I'm going to put some label also. Okay, let's take here in label. Size will be 23. Font will be this one. Okay, so let me just make it small. Okay, so let's select another font. Okay, so this one is looking good. After that, just duplicate it again, and here just see. Just type there you have 20 seconds. Okay, you have 20 seconds. Let's put it as 10 seconds. Okay. Now after this, see. So now let's create another screen. Okay, so it will just in the another screen will just show how many times we have just click on it. Okay, so you need to just click at the image, and after 10 seconds it will just get redirected to will just get redirected to the screen 2, and here it will show how many times we have clicked. Okay, so let's select a theme. I'm gonna just select my favorite, which is pink. And now let's take a label. Okay, just make it bigger. Make it text or bigger. Okay, just make it like this. After that, just take another label here. Okay, take here another label and put it as 0. After that, just give the size. So the size will be 100. And just put the text alignment in the center. Yeah. And after putting it in the center, just put there again 10. After that, just copy this label and put it as times. Okay. Okay. After that, just command the code, and now we are going to just code it. So here I'm going to just create a variable, and its name is score. Var score is equals to 1, sorry, 1 not or 0. Okay. And after that, see. So set time out. So just go to control, use a set time out, and after that, see. So set the text. Okay, just set the text in the label 4 to the variable os. Okay, so don't put it in the double quotes because we have created a variable here. Okay, so, and see, just set the screen to game. Okay, cool. And here, when the mouse, okay, on event, whenever we'll just click at this, whenever we'll just click at the image or 2 on this big image, so let's choose the mouse down. Okay, then what I want is see, then I would, if you want, you can just play the sound also here. Okay, if you want, you can play the sound, and I would like to set the size. Okay, just use the set size block. Okay, just choose the ID. So set the size of this image to or to 335 and 300. Okay, and the score is equal to score plus 1. Okay, score is equal to score plus 1. Okay, and now just see. And on event, now if the big image, which is image 2, mouse up, then this, okay, then just set the size, or then just set this. Okay, so on event, when the image to mouse up, then I would like to set the size of the image 2 as 360 and we are just done. Okay. Okay, so you put the pick one time. Okay, just give me a second. It's just working, but I'm just. Let's just refresh it, and now let's run it. Yeah. So you can see the Poke the Pig project is just ready. And thanks for watching. And I hope you all enjoyed. If enjoyed, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't joined my Discord community, then don't forget to join it. And bye bye everyone. Stay safe and see you soon in the next video.